Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. Today, Diamond and I were out and about, and we stopped at Barnes and Noble, and I came across this big ever craft pack card making and paper craft, massive 94-piece card making set. And I was like, did that because I was like, oh, I may have this, and I thought, it looked familiar, and then I was like, okay, I'm just gonna go for it. So let's see. And I already got one stamp that was iffy to me, and I'll show it. But included in this, it says 71 luxury stamps, 16 A4 size papers, 2-piece die set, and 5 stencils. So let's check it out. And the one that I thought was this one. But then I'm like, I don't remember the turtle. So I went and got this magazine out to look, and it's different. So that was cool. See? So that was awesome. So I didn't have it. So I was really grateful for that. And so that's the one stamp. It's got a mermaid, have a magical birthday, you're a mermazing, mermaid kisses, an ocean full of thanks. And you got a squid, a seahorses, fish. I love the turtle. It's cool. So we got that. And then there's this one. It's like kind of like safari. And it says Happy Father's Day with a zebra. I don't know. Elephant. Life is an adventure with a giraffe and tree. Today's a special little one. It's your birthday. Go wild. Happy birthday. Born to be wild. Got a leopard here. Lion there. Little lion cub. That's that one. And I'm going to open these because it seems like this one has something to it besides just this. So, oh, it has the paper. Okay. So we got the stamp and we got the paper. That's cool. So we got 2 zebras, 2 leopard print. Ooh, cool paper. Or no, this is leopard print. Cool. So you got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 pieces of paper with this one. That's cool. And I just noticed, there's mermaid paper as well. So let's check out that. I'll go with the mermaid. And I think I paid, let me see. I had a hard time finding it, and I paid $20. Okay, here's the mermaid paper. That's pretty. And this one. And that one. And that one. That one. Oh, they're so pretty. So that was kind of cool. You get paper for each one. Then the next one was this camping set. Oh, that's pretty. And I was unsure about the camping set, and the reason I say that is because, and that's down here, is I had a camping one, but haha, I lucked out. They're different. So they are different, but I didn't have a tent. So there's the little camper. See, there's the camper. So that's cool. I have these out because I was working with these. So that was kind of cool. So this is the camping one, and this one comes with the dies. Oh, open this. This is so cute. Oh. So you get the camper die and like the little sign. You get a tent, a little scenery with a camper, a sun, a cloud, trees, a little owl, a rabbit, marshmallow and a hot dog, a lantern. It says campfire kisses, a bear, a log, some mushrooms, some hearts. Looks like grass. And enjoy the little things, a fire, and a little, look at the hedgehog. Or, is that, yeah, hedgehog. A stump, a snail, and there's the sign. So that is that one. And then also in this, I haven't seen the stencils because it's just about stencils, right? Yeah, 5 stencils. I haven't got to stencils yet. But look at this stamp set. Beyond the Woods, 4 majestic scenes ready for you to color. Look at the rabbit, the owl. I don't know what kind of bird that is. And the deer. And it says, all good things, wild and free. Send and love your special way. Them are cool stamps. Okay. And then this is the magazine. I haven't found the stencils, guys. So I don't know where the stencils are. It says, 7-in luxury stamp, 16 A4 papers, 2-piece die set, and 5 stencils. I haven't seen the stencils. So this is the book to show you how to use them. So that's cool. But no stencils. So for some reason there's supposed to be 5 stencils. So I don't know where the stencils. I didn't get the stencils. But you know what? I'm very happy with this set. Man, them are cool. Them are so cool. So I got mine at Barnes & Noble. I don't know if they have it at Joann's or Michael's. So you got the paper. There's the mermaid. And you got the paper for the safari. And I know I got paper. I always got paper. And then of course you get the book. I'm trying to see if they even show on the package that the stencils. No. That's alright. So, I want to thank you guys for watching. So check out your local Barnes & Nobles or, you know, Hobby Lobby. And look for this magazine set. I thought it was good. You know, you figure 73 different stamps in 2 dies. So that's cool. So I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.